students, today we are going to start the topic median. Now median is basically the middle observation or central value of the data. Now whenever any data is given, there can be two cases. First, the case can be that it can be odd number of data or it can be even number of data. When we have odd number of data, suppose I am taking any odd number of data, it should be in order. Before taking out the median, you should arrange the data in order. Now I am writing a data in order. Suppose I have 3, 5, 15, 19 and 20. Okay. Now I can see that I have odd number of data. How many datas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 are there. So odd number of data in this, the middle value will be only 1. So the formula for odd number of data is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Okay. Here I have 5 data, so 5 plus 1 by 2, it means third observation is my answer and third observation is 15, so 15 is the middle data. In case I have even number of data, suppose I am taking the data here I have the data 4, 7, 9, 10, 11 and 15. Now you can see that in even number of data there are two middle values. So for this the formula will be n by 2 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation, and this whole will be divided by 2. Now here I can see that I have 6 data. So 6 by 2 is your third observation. 6 by 2 plus 1 will be your fourth observation. So you need to add them and divide with 2. So adding them, here I have 9 and here I have 10. So adding 9 plus 10 by 2, it will be 19 by 2, that is 9.5. This is your median for this data. So if I have odd number of data, this is the formula. If I have even number of data, this is the formula. Now based on these two formula, let us solve two more questions. Now I am taking this question. Marks obtained by 70 students are given below. You need to find out the median of this data. So first thing, we will arrange this data in order. Here you can see that 20 is given marks and then 50 here is given and 70. First thing, we need to arrange them in order. So let us make a table. Here I am writing marks and here number of students. Now marks I will write in order. So first 20 will come, then 40, then 50, then 60, then 70, 75 and 90. Okay. Now in front of 20 we have 28 students are there, and 40 for 40 we have 12 here, for 50 we have 18, for 60 we have 6, for 70 we have 12, for 75 we have 9 here, and for 90 we have 5 here. Now first thing, we need to find out cumulative frequency, means the sum of all the frequencies. So here we will copy down this 8 here, 8. Now we will add this 8 with 12, I will get 20. 20 adding with 18 will give you 38. 38 adding with 6 will give you 44. 44 plus 12 is 56. 56 plus 9 is your 65. 65 plus 5 is your 70. Now here we have cumulative frequency is 70, means total is 70. Now here you have even data. Now for even, I told you the formula was n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation upon 2. So here I have 70, 70 by 2, 12th observation, plus 70 by 2, 35 plus 1, 36th observation upon 2. Now 35th observation plus 36th observation by 2. 35th observation is 35th observation. Now see, 35th will come in this because it is more than 20. So for 35th I will take this 50. So here 50, and now I need to take 36th observation. 36th observation will also come in this. So again I will take this 50. So 50 plus 50 by 2, or I can write 50 is the median. So this is how we will work on event data.
Yeah.
Now I am taking this new question here. For the following frequency distribution, find the median, lower quartile and upper quartile. Here the variate is given and frequency is given. So let us write variate first and frequency here. We need to find out cumulative frequency again. So another column I will make of cumulative frequency. Now variate is 25, 31, 34, 40, 45, 48, 50 and 60. 3, 8, 10, 15, 10, 9, 6 and 2. This is already in order, so no need to do. Now I need to find cumulative frequency, so I will copy down this 3 here. 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 plus 10 is 21, 21 plus 15 will give you 36, 36 plus 10 will give you 46, 46 plus 9, 55, 55 plus 6 is 61 and 61 plus 2 is 63. Now we have an odd data here. 63 is odd data. So I told you odd data formula will be n by 2. Your median is going to be n plus 1 by 12th observation. So here 63 plus 1 by 2 observation we will take. So here 64 by 2 is 32nd observation. 32nd observation in the table. Now we can see that 32nd will lie in this point. So here this 40 is our answer. So here I can write median is your 40. Now we need to find out lower quartile. For lower quartile, I just need to divide with 4. So 63 plus 1 by 4th observation. So solving this, I will get 16th observation. Now 16th observation, you can see it will lie here. So lower quartile is your 34. This is the answer. Now we come on upper quartile. For upper quartile, you just need to multiply the lower quartile with 3. So upper quartile will be 16th observation was there. So 3 into 16th, that is 48 observation. 48 observation will be in this. So here you have 48 answer. So this is your upper quartile.